In September 2008, the IRU launched its new Euro-Asian Road Transport Initiative, or NELTI, a breakthrough project to revitalize the ancient Silk Road. Since that time, hauliers from 12 countries have made over 300 trips through the territories of 24 countries. The drivers spent about 9,000 days and crossed over 2,000 borders to carry different goods, from food to computers, along 3 principal routes of the Silk Road. Throughout the entire period, the IRU's NELTI recorded conditions en route using special driver's logbooks based on UNESCO methodology. In June 2009, the scope of the IRU's NELTI was expanded by joining forces with the Asian Development Bank and by broadening its geographic scope, which now stretches from the Pacific to the Atlantic. What are the most important lessons to learn from the IRU's NELTI project? The most striking conclusion is that, contrary to common perception, existing road infrastructure is more than sufficient to support a significant growth of trade and road haulage among all 3 branches of the ancient Silk Road. So, why isn't this happening today? The answer is both simple and shocking. 40% of the total time spent by the trucks en route is lost, waiting in long queues at the borders. And almost 1/3 of the freight transport cost is due to backsheesh. So, is there a solution? Yes. We simply need to give top political priority to changing border crossing procedures that are currently stifling trade and economic growth, as any penalty on road transport is an even greater penalty on the economy as a whole. Moreover, this solution will not cost billions of dollars to achieve. According to the UN Economic Commission for Europe, implementing the key UN trade and road transport facilitation instruments, effectively harmonizing and streamlining currently onerous customs and border crossing procedures in every transit country from Bishkek to Warsaw, for example, would chop the travel time down by 4.1 days. For the sake of comparison, current investment forecasts for the West China-West Europe Highway amounts to $28 billion. And according to the same source, this huge investment will reduce travel time by only 3.9 days. Does this mean that there is no need for additional investments? Of course not. The Chinese are right in saying, if you want to get rich, build a road. There is always need for additional good roads. But, we would add, road and transport infrastructure. The focus of such investments should be gradually shifted from road construction to the creation of support infrastructure, border crossing facilities, gas stations, parking lots, and so on. Once these bottlenecks are removed, we can expect to see a boom in Euro-Asian road traffic and trade. Modern caravans, led by today's Marco Polos, will connect all the businesses, countries, and continents, bringing economic development, prosperity, and peace throughout this vast region, disproving predictions formulated in the 19th century. Road transport drives peace and prosperity along the revitalized Silk Road.